Welcome everybody. Long Beach, my city. Yeah. Over there is where we're going. To the Long Beach International Motorcycle Show. Out here we got DSG Diesel. We got Roy. We got K6, Ghost Ninja, Boris on bikes, Caligo Rider. And I don't have a bike, so we're doing up stuff. Yeah, man, it sucks. Yeah. Chain and sprocket. Yeah, Master Link. No, they can go back and check the live stream. It's always good, ladies and gentlemen, to be riding around with the crew. Especially the San Diego people. And DSG Diesel, because he came here from Anaheim, which ain't too far away, but, you know. Going one lane? Yeah, access denied, bitch. Goes Ninja go trying to come over there with that kill switch. No, son. That's what I do. You know, I realized I didn't call a lot of people to see if they were coming. Like, Seeing Cycle. I see a dude tell me, I think Seeing Cycle. I don't know why. Shout out to Seeing Cycle. What's up, buddy? Look at all them motherfucking motorcycles! Yes! Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Man, can't wait. Ooh! Get to fucking touch so many bikes today. Yeah. And the great thing, guys, about the Long Beach Motorcycle Show, I don't know if it's 2016 or 2017, is that if you ride a motorcycle, parking is fucking free. What up, man? Oh, okay. Yeah, we got Ghost, Boris, some other people. We'll see you inside, man. Oh, yeah. We made it. At least to the outside. So, stick around, guys. We going in.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Boris on bikes?
Yeah.
Ghost Ninja?
Yeah. Grab one.
We all look like idiots holding fucking...
That's alright though. Redwood! Hey, Callie, I found your bike, dude.
Hello, ladies and gents. International Motorcycle Show this year, 16 or 17, I'm not sure. But great successful day, man. Big shout outs to everybody we saw go on their bike. Mr. Phantasm, Sin Cycle, we missed you. Fucking Scott. We got DSG Diesel over there. We got Roy right here. Boris on bikes. K6, Mr. Kenny, Ghost Ninja, Cali Girl, me, Red One. Now we're about to go get drunk, because that's what we do. So until the next one, guys, ride safe and all that other shit.